Hey everybody, we're out here at Auto Tech's frame and body, just a little bit east of Winfield, and we're checking in with the crazy guys here at Auto Tech's, and we were checking to see what Brian bought. He bought this Tahoe. So supposedly he bought this thing just to get the LS motor out of it, because he wants to, believe it or not, put it in a figure 8 car. So here we go. I guess that's the Tahoe. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna check and see what these guys are doing on this figure 8 car. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we're gonna walk up on these guys and we're gonna see what the leader of this craziness is real quick. And he's got a T-Bird. Let's check with them and see what they're doing. Let's see what they're doing. And here's the leader of the pack, Brian.
What's up,
man?
Facebook?
What are you guys doing, man? You bought a Tahoe over there. What the heck is that for?
This.
You're gonna yank the power plant out of the Tahoe, put the LS motor in this, and this is gonna be your figure 8 car.
You know what? I have stress on me all the time, and I figured out how to get rid of it. Is to run into other people. Scott Biddle, I'm coming after your butt. Yep. Did you hear me? Scott Biddle, I'm coming after your butt. So anyway, this car, we're gonna put an LS in it. I put Bobcat tires underneath it, so now we gotta redo the body so the tires don't get hurt. We got a lot of pipe welding to do, and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Mr. Leak, is this Perigo guy, is he kind of crazy or what?
Most of the time.
Is
He's working on my craft, so he has to be.
Oh my gosh.
No, we got 2 of these cars, and we done a video earlier about how we were going to get the motor running in this. We got the motor running, but then I figured out how much it was going to cost to make it run good, and I'm just going to put an LS in it. So we're going to have some fun.
Sounds like some good times this Friday, almost 5 o'clock. Man.
This is when the fun starts. We've had this conversation.
So
5 o'clock is when the stress goes away. We shut the gates.
So you've clocked out of work here now. It's playtime.
I clocked out about 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Actually.
You're out at 4 today on Friday.
Yeah. And I don't get a check on Friday very often, so anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm paying all these guys.
Minimum wage.
Minimum wage? Oh, I bet it's not even that.
Look, minimum wage. True. And I'm paying them too much with minimum wage. No, I got some good guys, man. We got.
Yeah, you do.
It gets hot and grumpy, and they listen to my butt all week, and we just gotta have fun sometimes. So.
They have to be pretty good guys to put up with you, right?
Yep, especially the last couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, guys, we found our burnt truck. The one that got stolen, it got torched, and anyway, so we'll be updating you on the news on that, because there's some excitement to come on that deal. So anyway, have a good weekend, guys. Enjoy your families. Go have fun. Don't drink too much. Stay out of jail. And go to church on Sunday.
There you have it.
See you later.